Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add Bluetooth capability to this Ford Freestart factory radio. As you can see that this Ford factory radio only has AM, FM, and the CD player. It does not have Bluetooth capability. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio without a new head units or any sort of modification to this existing radio. All we're going to do is we're going to use the Gizmo Guy Gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory radio. You will be able to stream music, talk hands-free, as well as adding GPS navigation functionality from your smartphone right through this older factory radio. Let me show you how. So you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is what the Gizmo Guy Gadget look like. There's a control unit with one wire with two ends. One is for the aux, the other one's for USB. We'll be showing you how to use the USB part of it. So simply you connect my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com, connect my device onto the Cigarette charger like this. That's it. That's all you had to do to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio. This Ford factory radio. Let me show you. So first we turn on the ignition. Turn on the radio. You can see that this is radio. So we'll set the radio to 87.9. And you can hear that there's a lot of static. All you gotta do is plug in my transmitter from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connecting my gadget to the radio, to the cigarette charger for power. And listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
See, that's all you had to do to add Bluetooth capability to this older Ford factory radio. Now let's hear the music. Simply press this button. So your music will come through. You can stream music from Pandora, podcast, Spotify. You can listen to podcast, news, radio, sports, even NPR. Anything you want to listen to stream, you'll be able to use my gadget from your phone, stream right through your the older factory radio here. Essentially, my gadget will allow you to add number 1, streaming music. Number 2, talk hands-free. Number 3, GPS navigation functionality. All from my device, from your phone, right through this older Ford factory radio. All you got to do is plug it in. There's no installation. There's no complicated modification. And you do not need a new head unit. You just keep everything exactly the way it is simply by plugging my gadget, and you'll be able to enjoy all your smartphone features right through this older Ford factory radio. Essentially, with my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com will make your older car as smart as a new smartphone. Your car will be smart, and you'll enjoy you'll love and enjoy your old car again because you'll feel like a brand new one. Let me show you how it's done again, okay? To see how easy it is. So we turn off everything. Turn on the ignition. Turn on the radio. You hear that? There's that. We'll plug in my device.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
See, that's it. Now you play music. Your music will be loud and clear without static or hissing. And when phone call comes in, all you got to do is press this button to receive calls, to put a pause on music and receive calls. And when you're done, press it again, and you'll be able to hang up and the music will resume. You can also integrate GPS navigation from Waze or other GPS app that you use. You'll be able to hear all your GPS instructions through your car speakers loud and clear without hissing or any static. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget To sum it up, it will allow you to add, number one, streaming media from your phone. Number two, add talk hands-free so you can engage on a conversation without having to touch your phone. And number three, you'll be able to get GPS navigations through your car speakers as you drive by using Waze. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.